Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
So many people. Right? Alright, here we go. KFC, baby. Oh yeah! Let me see what. Let me just pack this fuck in here. What the hell? Why is it it's a party in the K. Hey, why so much people in the KFC? What?
Oh, so IShowSpeed is about to settle an age-old debate. Who have the best KFC, Jamaica or Trinidad? We know say right now, Jamaica watch this and I punch the ear right now and I say, yo, I can't wait until IShowSpeed reach a Jamaica for show him who have the best KFC. So right now, Trinidad get a one-up, you know, cause Trinidad first him go. And you know, the KFC in the Caribbean, it tastes good. We can't go around it. So if him taste Trinidad KFC first, of course I'm gonna hype. But yes, when him reach a Jamaica, I'm gonna have to ask. The first place them gonna send him a KFC. You see me? If you settle this once and for all. And who know? Probably him say a Jamaica, probably recency bias, or probably the KFC at Jamaica is just that good. And him probably say, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. Trinidad KFC did fire, but Jamaica, you know how speed go, and then online I bear things again, Jamaica and Trinidad again. You see me? But people don't go no further. We are gonna talk about IShowSpeed. We are gonna watch IShowSpeed. I sample the Bigfoot and get him reaction. You see me? But people, let me introduce myself quick and fast to the brand new viewers and the brand new subscribers. You have tuned in to the baddest reaction channel on YouTube. I'm DJ Dreadbeard. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe me. I'm going to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And more of a shout out Libra Son Goddess, who forward through with $5 upon the last video. Yeah man, people, remember liking the video, sharing the video and commenting on the video is also a form of support. And if you don't know how to drop a super thanks or if you hype up the video, see the instruction there I run on the screen. Don't go nowhere. I soon forward.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Chat, what Caribbean island are y'all looking forward to the most? Like what country? What country y'all looking for the most? Jamaica? Dominica? Grenada? Jamaica? Yeah, Jamaica gonna be lit.
Jamaica is about to be lit. Jamaica is about to be turned up, burned up. Jamaica is about to be fire. You see, like, oh, you're gonna say Trinidad KFC are the best and you not try Jamaica one yet? Right now, Jamaica, I carry vengeance, man. May I tell you? You see me? But people, as we say, we are gonna talk a little more about IShowSpeed. When him found your country, it's like a tourism exposition. You see me? It's not random. Him link with the people from Jamaica, like the tourist board and the government and something. You see me? But as me promise, we are going to play the reaction when him try Bigfoot and some other clips we're interested. You see me? And we are going to reason as usual. Quick and fast. It's just a little update. And I want to watch the video when I drop before this because it look like say everybody they over IShowSpeed and anybody will upload nothing right now, you're not get no views. You see me? Yeah, especially if you're not fully in the algorithm. So after I'm not done watch IShowSpeed, make sure say wanna go watch the video when I drop before this. So right now I take back some of the views that my IShowSpeed take away from me. So I vlog about IShowSpeed since I hit everybody I run with at Jamaica right now. You see me? Yeah, what about my view speed?
Are they good? Yo, chat, everybody, yo, bro. Everybody was telling me to try KFC here in Trinidad.
Yeah, man, Jamaica not like this, you know, bro. Jamaica find out say Bigfoot enough for them, and IShowSpeed I say KFC over Trinidad a fire. It bad. You see me? And I remember the first time when Speed say, yo, him have found out the Caribbean, you know. I don't remember how long, but sometime last year. And I did raise the question and say, if when him found out Jamaica, if the people might go crowd up and run back him or something, I did tell him say, yes, the people might go crowd up and run behind him, same way like when him go any other country. Because we're in the new age right now. And back in the days when Jamaica go like say, yo, you know more than me. I'm not frightened for people. Jamaica frightened for people just as the rest of the world right now. Especially in the internet era when everybody a star and everybody have them favorite social media influencer. You know see Swiss Lee come man and the whole downtown and run back him, and so if the whole downtown a run back a Swissly, what them a do with IShowSpeed? And then you already have the thing there where the next country a try outdo the next country. That apartheid too, you know. Every country him go, them a try outdo the next country, like we love speed more than the next country. So you go see a bigger crowd and a bigger excitement. I remember say Jamaica well extra. Jamaica I go do something. Jamaica I go look a race with him. One youth did look a race with him at Trinidad and lose too, you know. Yeah, I'm supposed to show that too.
Your first race in Trinidad and Tobago. Alright. The potholes, right? Watch the potholes. Yo, myself, let's get up. Yo, keep it clear. Out the way. Out the way, out the way, out the way, out the way. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Open up, open up, open up, open up, open up. Too easy. Open up. Come on, man. Too easy. Open up. Too easy. Let me run on it. You gotta pay up. That wasn't too easy. Out the way, out the way. You gotta pay up. You gotta pay up. So good. I'm joking. So somebody in the chat getting $1,000 US.
Yeah man, Speed win him first race in the Caribbean. Speed burn him foot, you know. Speed fast, you know. Him not just name Speed for nothing, you know. Him fast, you know. So one youth give away $1,000 if Speed win him and Speed win him, and him have to give away $1,000 US. You see me about Jamaica extra. Jamaica I go do some extra shit. Me just hope say them not shame with some little foolishness what them I go do. You see me? Yeah, but all of this, the tourist board and everything, then clean up the country and make sure say Jamaica, the world I go watch Jamaica when Speed are forward. So them I carry him go to some location. Me don't know. Him I go there Jamaica for more than one day. All of them places him there for more than one day, you know. So probably part of it. So probably one day him there at Kingston. Then carry him go to Devon House, and you see me? Yeah. Them are going to highlight some of Jamaica attraction. So when the world see it, and you see me, it drive more tourists in the country. That's a part of where Speed do. And that him intent for doing, but when him further your country, them use the opportunity. And then probably the next day, them carry him go to Moby and then Ochi, and you see me? Yeah, but you see the people them will run back him and the audience, them they are real and authentic people and once a Speed go there, and either them want to vlog about it, have them own a vlog, video him and upload it, them will get views for that. You see me? Yeah, and them just genuinely know say it's a youth where the whole world love, the whole football part of it and something. You see me? So Jamaica is not gonna be any different from the rest of the world. Them are gonna run back him same way. You see me?
It feels good in here. Hey. Yeah, boy. Backflip. What's up?
Yo, the girl they wind up on IShowSpeed. The man can turn up on him, man have to take with himself. You see me man say, yo, you give me a boner, and him see the big body girl them. You remember when him did that in our cafe and them give him something like one strong back, and him say, yo, what this honey pack? You look like the strong back work pan the dog, you know.
So they say these things is things to the back. Meaning when you drink this, you'll be ready for the ladies.
What you mean?
When you drink this, right? You'll be ready for the ladies.
In what way?
In what way you want to be ready for them?
Bro, did you just give me a honey pack, bro?
Nah.
Yo, the dog thing rise up on him. When the big body girl bunks it on him. And who over there watch it? One of the girls them in the pool, you know, says she had 36. And you know what she me a pre out of all of the women them in the pool? I say, yo, watch the slim tick there. And when Speed asks one of them age, she says she had 20. And Slim say, you too young man. And one of them say, yo, me a 36 with about 3 youth. Me say, bomba, that's the Trinidad girl them firm. And she me a pre all along from the man going to the pool. And she me a pre and say, yo, the girl is a slim tick. The woman says she had 36. You see me? Big up IShowSpeed. He might enjoy himself in the Caribbean. You see me? But as me say, Jamaica, I wait for them turn with vengeance. You see the KFC is something there. Every day upon TikTok online, I hear them tell us that Jamaica have the best KFC. Trinidad I say no, Trinidad have the best KFC. So right now, yeah man, Jamaica wait. You see me? I go call the vlog here, I show Trinidad Speed. And I go vlog about all of the Caribbean country them where him go. You see me? So make sure you subscribe if you don't want to hear my thought, if you don't want to hear my vlog or my breakdown it and everything. And just my reasoning around the whole thing, you see me? Yeah, and remember, watch the video before this. Yeah, because everybody over IShowSpeed and one of the weakest views me get since this year. You see me? Yeah, so make sure you say, after you done enjoy on yourself and done punch the ear, because enough Jamaican punch the ear right now with the KFC thing. After you done do all of that, watch the video before this. But alright, so we cut it. We're not too dry it out. Don't. Yeah man, but I'm DJ Dreadbeard, and if you reach the end and you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now. Like the video, share the video, and if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And the video, when we do before this, you're going to see it pop up on the screen, so you can just click on it. You see me? Yeah, but I'm DJ Dreadbeard, signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.